Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Siti Nur Aziza and I am a student from class C in the Faculty of Agriculture. I present this storytelling session with the title From a Small Pot I Start Everything.
There was a time when life felt too big for me to understand, too fast for me to follow, and too heavy for me to handle. In the middle of all that confusion, I felt lost. Then one day, without planning it, my eyes fell on something simple, a small empty pot. There were no plants, no soil, just a small, seemingly deserted space. But somehow, when I saw it, my chest felt warm. It was as if the little pot was saying to me, "You can start here." And for the first time in a long time, I believed it. I took a little loose soil, not much, just enough to fill a small pot. When I touched the soil, it felt soothing. I started pouring the soil little by little, and when I touched the soil, I was speechless. I never thought that simple touch could move my feelings so much. There was something alive, not just the soil, but a small glimmer of hope beginning to grow within me. I thought maybe this is the best way to start learning slowly. After the soil was filled, I picked up a few small seeds. It's funny to think that something so small could grow into something so big. Careful, I planted the seeds one by one. No special techniques, no fancy tools, just my 2 hands and a simple silent prayer. At the moment I realized I wasn't just planting a seed, I was planting courage, the courage to start something from the smallest point. The following days were a period of waiting. Every morning I opened the window, checked the small pot, watered it a little, and said in my heart, "I hope you grow even if slowly." Sometimes I become worried when I saw no sign. Sometimes I feared I had made mistakes. Sometimes I wondered if the seeds were still alive. But from that little pot, a new feeling slowly grew inside me. Patience. Without realizing it, I learned that agriculture isn't just about planting, but also about waiting with a sincere heart. Then, one simple but unforgettable morning, I saw it, something very small emerged from the surface of the land, a pale green, fragile shoot, almost invisible if I didn't really look. When I saw the tiny sprout, my eyes felt hot. Tears welled up in my eyes without me realizing it. I smiled and whispered, "You are growing. Thank you for staying strong." That tiny sprout made me believe that great things can indeed start from something very simple, from a small pot, from my first step, from my courage to tree. Every day I cared for that sprout, and the more I cared for it, the more I cared for myself. I learned that growth takes time, that small things can also mean big things, that starting doesn't have to be with something big. And now, from a small pot that we filled with sincerity, I begin to understand that agriculture is not about smooth land you have, but how big your heart is to nurture life. My little plant continues to grow. Its first leaves are starting to bloom, and the color is getting greener. Every time I see it, I am reminded that my great journey will surely begin here from this small pot, from a tiny bit of soil, from a barely visible seed, from the me who once hesitated, but finally dared to begin. I stared at the plant and said, if I can take care of this little life, one day I will be ready to care for greater land as well. Slowly, my confidence grows alongside this plant. I am ready not to be perfect, not to be an expert. I am just ready to start. And everything began from a small pot.